While templates or pre-made designs are fairly easy to use, this particular lecture is designed to give you some guidance on how best to use them for your work. Our target here asks at the 1 level that you can simply explain the use of templates. In other words, you can tell me that a template is a pre-made design and that you can drop it onto your page to allow you to simply drop in content afterward. It frees you from having to create your own design. At the 2 level, you can analyze the use of templates for advantages and disadvantages, and we'll talk about that on the next slide. At the 3 level, you can select a template and justify its use. And at the 4 level, you can select a template, justify its use, and can adapt it while maintaining the integrity of the original design. Some templates you'll find will just need a little bit of tweaking to make them perfect for your needs. So why use a template? Well, there's some pretty big advantages to using templates within the yearbook. For starters, it can create unity. If we choose just a handful of templates to use in the yearbook and we stick to that, you'll see similar page design across the entire book, and that can help our audience see and feel that we have worked together to create one thematic product. It also saves a great deal of time. You don't have to come up with a design for every single page. You can come up with a few solid designs and then use those. And it tends to improve the quality of design because you can put more effort into making sure that one page is perfect rather than worrying about all of the pages. On the other hand, some people would say that templates do stifle creativity. If you're someone who really likes design and you want the freedom to create unique designs on all of your pages, well, templates might be a little bit of an irritant to you because they don't allow you to do that. And sometimes when we're selecting templates, we can get a mismatch between design and content. As an example, think of a prom spread, right? There can be a ton of pictures of prom, and people will want to see those pictures. If you choose a template that only has a handful of pictures on it for that particular spread, you're not going to be meeting the needs of the audience or the needs of that content. When you're choosing a template to use on your page from the templates that we make together as our class, you want to consider the content of your spreads. Is it a 1 or a 2 topic spread, right? We are a small enough book that we do have to combine some of our topics into one spread. So make sure that you know what type of spread you have, 1 or 2 topic, before you make your selection. Think too, are we likely to have a lot of really good pictures or very few pictures that are really solid? There are going to be some events where it's hard to get good pictures. Think, for example, participants being far away. Or, for example, think of something like track where you've got a lot of people running. Those pictures can get repetitive. So that might be a particular template where you might choose one with fewer pictures, okay? If you do need to adapt conservatively. The key will be to maintain theme conventions. When we make our templates, we're going to be focusing on common thematic design elements. If when you're revising you get rid of those, you're going to have lost the template's use for us. So if you do adapt, again, be very conservative, and I definitely recommend talking to the theme team to get some advice on what you do.